Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. My respected teacher and my beloved friends. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of clean and green. This is a crucial topic that has a significant impact on our lives and our environment. The first and most important point is that keeping our environment clean is everyone's responsibility. Clean is everyone's responsibility. If we don't keep our surroundings free from waste, it can lead to increased pollution and disease. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم إن الله جميل يحب الجمال نظيف يحب النظافة كريم يحب الكرم جواد يحب الجود فنظفوا أفنيتكم. My beloved friends, the second point is about the color green. To make our country environment green, we need to plant as many trees as possible. Trees is not only provide us with oxygen but also help to reduce the earth's temperature. If we all work together to follow the philosophy of clean and green, we make our country a better, healthier and more prosperous place. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently, hardly. Thank you so much and have a nice day.